Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. Today I have made a leg of a lamb, boneless leg of a lamb roast with mashed potatoes and asparagus. I would like to share the recipe with you. Let's get started. I have this 2 pounds boneless leg of the lamb, and I'm going to cut it open, clean it, and we will see the next step. So this has been cleaned. Now I'm going to cut this off. Such a beautiful piece for the lamb roast. I'll show you. This is the fat, and we are going to keep it. This time I'm going to, cut it like that into center so that we have even lamb piece. Just check this out. So let's see the ingredients. I have the whole cloves, peppercorns, salt, and the red wine. So first I'm going to put some salt all over the lamb. I transfer it into the container. I'm going to add the peppercorns on it. And then take the cloves, put it and insert it. Now we are going to pour the wine over it. So it's morning, it's a new day, and I'm going to finish off what I started yesterday, that is roast leg of a lamb. And along with that, I'm making two sides. One of the side is mashed potatoes, which is my favorite. I'm taking red bliss potatoes for that. So I'm going to work on the lamb first, then the potatoes, and at the time of serving I will saute the asparagus spears. I'm using my convection infrared oven. It's faster. It doesn't need any preheating. I use the meat thermometer to check the doneness. So I have placed it on the rack and also added mint leaves, chopped mint leaves. This is my last minute addition. I love the flavor of mint. So I'll start roasting it now. So let's see. We see the temperature. So it is 150 degrees Fahrenheit now. So that's what I was looking for. Great. So we'll allow it to rest for like 10 minutes and then we will carve it. Okay, so I have already mashed the potatoes over here. Now I'm going to add salt to it, a little pepper, black pepper, milk, and butter. So I'm going to mix this together and make it into like a creamy consistency. So it's a very nice consistency now. So the potatoes are ready. I'll carve the lamb. Check this out, guys. So beautifully done. Loved it. So now let's make the asparagus. Just saute it in butter. I have added about a tablespoon of butter. Then I put this. A little salt, pepper, and garlic powder. And some lemon juice. Love the color of this. Such a bright, nice green color. I have already carved the roast, and let's add the asparagus to it. So I have garlic bread, mashed potatoes, pickled red onion, lamb roast, asparagus, and this is a gravy. I didn't make the gravy, it's ready-made. So that's about it.